guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today, I always get this excited for this brand. I'm unboxing my Gerard Cosmetics PR, plus I bought some extra stuff during the $10 lipstick day sale last week, and it came so fast. So if you want to see what all I got, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a mature self-taught makeup artist here on YouTube, and I like to do tutorials, teaching techniques, unboxings, reviews, skincare, and once in a while I will do a cooking video. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to all. And if you are one of my OGs, you know I love you, baby. So let's get into this unboxing. Oh, look at that. All lipstick. Oh my God. Do y'all think I have a lipstick issue? I mean, not me. Asking for a friend. Just for a friend. Yeah. I can't tell you how much money I spent before I made Gerard PR, and even if I was not on PR, I would still shop Gerard Cosmetics. They are, if you know, you know, they're that good. So I got, let me get everything set out here and see what I got. So I got 6 Hydro Matte lipsticks, 3 Metal Matte lipsticks, a Bullet, and 3 Color Your Smile lip glosses. So we're gonna go through them, and we're going to show them off. So now, if I already have one open, I will use the one that is open, because I don't want to open one. And a few of them I had to replace because some of my Metal Mattes were getting kind of gooky. So I figured it was probably close time to replace those. So the first one is a brand new one for me. It's called Strawberry Fields. And this is a big seller right here. This is Strawberry Fields. So there's Strawberry Fields. That is so pretty. I really like that. It looks lighter on, honestly, it looks a little lighter on the website, but I don't care. That's really pretty. It looks like strawberries, and I love it. The next one is Skinny Dip, and I do have this one out. Okay, this is Skinny Dip. This is one of my favorites. I have so many. And the Gerard Cosmetics Hydro Matte lipsticks last all day long. There's no need to reapply. They're not drying. Not for me, they're not drying. And I haven't really heard that complaint from anybody. Everyone that tries Gerard really loves. Okay, it's that good. Like I said, if you know, you know. And then this is 90210, and I do believe I have this one. That is 90210, and that is one of our big sellers. This is like a very muted mauve. And this does have a mauvey tone, but it also has like a more of a burgundy tone to it, but it has a mauvey tone in it too, so it doesn't make it look so dark. And the next one, oh, I'm so excited about this one. Glam by Renaz. She is one of the Gcsquad members on Instagram. Her or Bobby, I think, don't have YouTube, but she wears this, and I'm like, oh, she can wear any color, I swear, and it looks so good on her. Any color looks so good on her. But this color right here just is, oh, it caught my eye. I hope I will be able to wear this. I might have to like add a lighter shade in the middle, but this is just stunning. It's really dark. It's like a purple, like a dark purple, like Knight Rider. That's the name of it. Oh, this will look so good closer to fall, and I'm really excited. And then the next two I have, okay, so this one I had on earlier, and I ate pizza, and it took me a while to apply it because I dyed it down just a little bit. I kind of used this as a lip liner. And then I used Skinny Dip on the inside. This is Coachella. Look how beautiful, and I loved it. It looked so perfect with this eye look. But it is so gorgeous. And then this one is one of our top sellers. This is Cher, and she is This was the very first lipstick that I ever bought from Gerard Cosmetics, and I was hooked. That. Just, ooh, I love it. So gorgeous, so beautiful, so pigmented. All of these, Jen Gerard is, she's an angel, first off, and she really knows how to make lipsticks and lip liners and hydromatte lipsticks and metal matte lipsticks and the glosses, the eye base. Oh my God, the setting sprays. She's a genius. I love her. And Yogi. Okay, so now this is a metal matte, and I do have this one, but I bought a new one because I don't want it to go old. And it's starting to look a little thick, so I was a little worried, so that's why I went ahead and got me another one. But this is our metal matte in Fuzzy Navel, and it is so beautiful to put it on like a top, as a topper on like a brown lip or a peach, any color actually. I have put it on top of a lot of different colors, but it is so pretty because I really love it. And then I got Where's Ken. This is a new one to me. I've never had this one before, and it is a metal matte, and it would look really good on Coachella. So this is Where's Ken. So this is Where is Ken. See that metally gloss on those? I honestly think that would look so good on Coachella. Y'all tell me. Here, let's put some down and see. Well, I want to wait till I'm done swatching. Okay. And I'm telling you, makeup makes me so happy. And this one is Soho. This is another new one to me. But I saw it and it looked just so beautiful. So this is what it looks like in the thing. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. This is probably going to be my most favorite yet. Oh my God, I cannot wait to put that on top of Cher. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This, oh wow, I love this. I love this. Okay, so then I have the Lilac Moon lipstick, the bullet lipstick, which I did not have. I don't think. Nope. Look at that. It almost looks blue. I think that's so pretty. And this will look beautiful on a, like a blue ice fairy. Yeah. I've already been thinking about Christmas looks since I missed out on so many things this year. Okay, so the next things we're going to dip into is the Color Your Smile lip gloss. Rose Hill. I'm probably not going to be able to stop myself from trying these on. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. And then it has a mirror on the side. So if you do go out after dark and you're in a restaurant, a club, what have you, and you need to touch up your lip gloss, honey, it's not going to be a problem because there's a light and a mirror. Yes. Okay, let me find somewhere to swatch this. I'm putting this on. Just a GC liner and one of these. And honestly, this is the best formula I have tried yet. I've tried a lot of formulas, but this one isn't sticky at all, isn't tacky at all. It just is so pigmented. Look how gorgeous. But that is the swatch of Rose Hill Color Your Smile gloss. And then this one is Plum Crazy. Oh crap, I'm gonna want to try this one too. Jen, if you are watching, you know how much I love you. You do know how much I love you. And you know how much I love Gerard. This is just gorgeous. Look at this. I have to take this off and put this one on. Gosh, that is so pretty. Let me swatch it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, It smells like icing. So there is Plum Crazy. And this is the Plum Crazy Color Your Smile Gloss. I know it's not on perfect, but you know, you get the gist. And then we have one more. I'll be darned. I already had this one. So it's going back in its box. And maybe I will put that in a giveaway. This is Fiji. I thought I checked to see if I had this one. And that is Fiji. It's just a pink pigmented gloss. Not sticky. Nada. So yeah. So let me know which color was your favorite out of the Hydro Mats. There was a lot of stuff that was sold out because of the 1% off website sale a few weeks before that. But let me know what was your favorite lipstick color, and then your favorite metal matte. These are the metal mattes right here. 1, 2, 3. And then the glosses, or that's the bullet lipstick, and then the 3 glosses. So guys, let me know, have you ever shopped Gerard Cosmetics? I know people are probably sick of hearing me sing their praises, but by gosh, they are the best indie brand around. Jen Gerard is just chef's kiss. She's beautiful, she's sweet, she's kind. I love her to death. And Yogi Gerard, oh, I'd like to get my little arms around you and give you hugs and kisses, that big face. I love it so much. And just the whole GC team is amazing. I will leave my link down below. And if you use my code BelindaMua, you can save 30% off of your purchase as long as there's not a sale going on, like a 51% sale. But if there is, still use my link and I still get credit for your purchase. And while you're there, please do not forget to pick this up. This is a must. The clean canvas eye base, guys. That's the way to go. And get you a setting spray. But yeah, tell me which was your favorite. Oh, I'm so excited to play in lipsticks. All right. I hope you guys like this unboxing. Thank you so much, Jen. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you, and I love you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, well, you know what to do. Hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.